So what would I say to someone who is considering using AcornVac? I would consider it highly. It is very unique technology and applied to plumbing systems. Without question, from my experience, has been a real positive experience with a detention facility where it's known that in custodies will plug up toilets and they'll intentionally try to create issues for the sheriff's department or police department, if you will. And because it's isolated in those areas, and plus having the technology and the ability to shut off the plumbing system prior to a search or other things, I think is really cutting edge technology in terms of plumbing systems. I highly recommend it.